Sunshineloanscom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're considering short-term loans, Sunshineloanscom may appear convenient, but most people get this wrong by overlooking interest rates and fees. The surprising truth is that convenience comes at a price. Sunshineloanscom offers personal loans ranging from to 0 or varies depending on credit score and loan term, usually between 15% and 35%. Loan processing fees may apply, typically, depending on loan amount. Repayment schedules range from 3 to 24 months. What you get: fast loan approval, online application, and quick funding. What you give up: higher interest rates compared to traditional banks, potential late fees, and the obligation to meet repayment schedules. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Calculate total repayment including fees. Step 2. Compare or with other lenders. Step 3. Consider your ability to pay on time. Step 4. Factor in any promotional offers or flexible repayment options. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore the fine print. Missing a payment can trigger penalties, damage your credit, and increase total cost. The surprising truth is that online convenience is helpful, but planning repayment is essential to avoid financial stress. In conclusion, Sunshineloanscom offers fast loans with clear pricing if you read the terms carefully and plan responsibly. Use it wisely to meet short-term financial needs without creating long-term issues.